Introducing the MORELECS Cat 7 Ethernet cable, a high-performance networking accessory that is perfect for gamers, streamers, professionals, and anyone looking to optimize their internet connectivity. This product is designed to bring ultra-fast speeds up to 10 Gbps in a sleek, flat form factor, making it not only a powerhouse for data, but also a visually appealing addition to your setup. One of the standout features of this cable is its space-saving flat design. Unlike traditional round cables that tend to cluster and create clutter, the flat structure allows for easy organization around desks, entertainment systems, or along walls in your living room or office. This design simplifies cable management, letting you maintain a clean and minimalist environment without compromising on performance. On the technical side, the cable is engineered to deliver high-speed connectivity for high-demand activities including online gaming, 4K streaming, and seamless video conferencing. It boasts a premium braided design with reinforced insulation, ensuring durability and protecting against wear and tear even in rugged environments. This robust build means that even with daily use, the cable maintains its integrity over time. Moreover, the cable is equipped with 4 shielded foiled twisted pairs, STP, a pure copper core, and gold-plated connectors. This advanced construction greatly reduces interference and crosstalk from adjacent pairs or even other cables, leading to a more stable and faster network connection. Real-life performance has shown that users enjoy rapid and reliable connections, even in settings with heavy device usage. However, no product is without its slight drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that the premium braided design might create a slightly stiffer cable, making it a bit challenging to bend in tight configurations. Despite this, the overall performance and enhanced reliability outweigh this minor inconvenience. When compared to similar products on the market, the MORELECS cable stands out due to its custom length options ranging from 1 feet to 100 feet, allowing it to meet varying installation needs perfectly. Its compatibility with devices such as PS5, Xbox, smart TVs, routers, and network switches further highlights its versatility. For those looking to maximize the benefits of this cable, it is recommended to choose the ideal length for your specific setup. Ensure that it is properly tucked away using cable organizers, and take advantage of the quick plug-and-play setup feature without any technical hassle. In conclusion, the MORELECS Cat 7 Ethernet cable offers a powerful blend of speed, durability, and elegant design. It is an excellent choice for users who demand both high performance and aesthetic organization in their work-from-home setups, gaming stations, or multimedia centers. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a reliable, fast, and manageable Ethernet solution.